What is a linked list?
A linked list is a data structure used to organize and store data. Unlike arrays, linked lists are made of nodes. Each node contains a value and a reference to the next node in the sequence. This setup allows the list to grow or shrink easily, making linked lists useful for managing dynamic data.
Types of linked lists.
There are three main types of linked lists: singly, doubly, and circular. In a singly linked list, each node points only to the next node. Doubly linked lists include references to both the next and previous nodes, while circular linked lists connect the last node back to the first, forming a loop.
How linked lists are structured.
Each node in a linked list is like a small container. It typically holds two parts, the data being stored and a pointer or reference to another node. The first node is called the head, and the last node points to null or, in a circular list, loops back to the head.
Common operations with linked lists.
Linked lists allow for quick insertion and deletion of elements. Adding or removing a node often involves updating just a few references rather than shifting all elements as with arrays. However, searching for a specific value can take longer since you usually need to start at the head and move through each node.
Where you'll encounter linked lists.
Linked lists are used in many real-world coding scenarios. They play a role in implementing stacks, queues, and even some memory management systems. When you need flexible, dynamic storage with efficient updates, linked lists are one of the first structures programmers learn and use.